Good morning. Today we will do subtraction of fraction. Exercise 4.6 question is solve the sums. First is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Here we have given denominator same 4 and 4. If we will take LCM of 4 and 4, LCM of 4 and 4 is 4. So, first we will solve fraction 3 by 4. Divide, multiply. We will divide this 4 by this 4. If we divide 4 by 4, we get 4 ones are 4, 1. So, multiply this 1 by 3. 3 ones are 3. Here sign is of subtraction. So, put sign of subtraction. Now, solve fraction 1 by 4. Divide LCM by this 4. If we divide 4 by 4, we get 1. Multiply 1 by 1. 1 ones are 1. 3 minus 1, 2 by 4 is the answer. It's the answer. Or you can also reduce it to the lower term. How will you reduce it? 2 is the common factor. So divide by 2. If we divide 2 by 2, 1 by 2 is the answer. Question 2. 7 by 8 minus 3 by 8. Like question 1, here denominator is same 8 and 8. So LCM of 8 and 8 will be 8. Put sign divide, multiply. First we will solve fraction 7 by 8. Divide LCM by 8, 1. Then multiply 7 by 1. 7 ones are 7 minus. Divide 8 by 8, 1. 3 ones are 3. 7 minus 3, 4 by 8 is the answer. It's the answer. Or you may convert into lower term. 4 is common factor. So divide by 4. Answer is 1 by 2. Now I am explaining question number 4. 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3. Here denominators are 6 and 3. So take LCM of 6 and 3. First prime number is 2. Divide by 2. Then 3. LCM is 2 3s are 6. Is equal to sign. LCM is 6. Now put sign divide. Multiply. You have to solve fraction 5 by 6. Divide 6 by 6. 1. 1 5s are 5. Here minus. Put sign of minus. Divide 6 by 3. 2s are 2 1s are 2. When you subtract 2 from 5, you get 3 by 6. 3 is common factor. So divide by 3. 1 by 2 is the answer. Now question 5. 3 minus 3 by 4. Here 3 is a number. 3 is not a fraction. How will you write in fraction? You can write 3 by 1. 3 by 1 minus 3 by 4. 4 is a number. How can you write fraction 4 by 1? You cannot write 1 by 4. It is not equal to 4. 4 is equal to 4 by 1. Same way, 6 you can write 6 by 1. You cannot write 1 by 6. It's 6 part of 1. So, 6 and 6 by 1 is equal. If you want to convert any number into fraction, you can divide by 1. Suppose 3 is given, 6 is given. You can write 6 by 1, 3, you can write 3 by 1. Now, you have to do this sum, same like question 4. We'll take LCM of 1 and 4. LCM of 1 and 4, divide by prime number, 2, again 2. LCM is 2 2s are 4. It's not necessary you will find out LCM. Direct you can write LCM of 1 and 4 will be 4. You can write 4. Now same way, divide, multiply. Divide 4 by 1, 4, 4 3s are 12. Minus, divide 4 by 4, 1, 1 3s are 3. Now subtract it, 9 by 4. Now there is no common factor. So answer is 9 by 4. It's improper fraction. you can convert into mixed fraction. 4 will be there. Now 2 1 by 4. It is in form of Q R by D. When you divide 9 by 4, quotient is 2, remainder is 1. So we write here quotient, remainder, divisor. 2 1 by 4, 1 is remainder. Remainder will come here. Quotient will be there and 4 is the divisor. 4 cannot be changed. Now question number 9. 2 3 by 8 minus 1 1 by 4. Both fractions are mixed fraction. First you will convert into improper fraction. 8 denominators can never be changed. ये कभी चेंज नहीं होगा. अगर नीचे 8 है तो 8 आएगा, 4 है तो 4 आएगा. डिनोमिनेटर्स कभी भी चेंज नहीं होता. कन्वर्ट 8 टू जा 16, मल्टीप्लाई इट, देन ऐड. 8 टू जा 16 प्लस 3 19. 4 1 जा 4 plus 1 5 by 4. Now you have question 19 by 8 minus 5 by 4. Same way, first you will find out LCM of 8 and 4. If you know LCM, you can also find out LCM in rough notebook. It's not necessary to show in exam. 8. LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. Same way, divide, multiply, divide 8 by 8. 1, 19 ones are 19 minus, divide 8 by 4, 2, 2 5s are 10. Answer is 9 by 8 is the answer. There is no common factor, but it is improper fraction. You can convert into mixed fraction. 1 1 by 8 is the answer. Question number 10. Look question 10 carefully. Here are two signs, minus and plus. Minus and plus, mixed fraction, mixed fraction. First we will convert into improper fraction. नीचे देखो 3 ही आएगा, ये चेंज नहीं होगा. डिनोमिनेटर कभी भी चेंज नहीं होता. अब 5 is a number, तो how can you make it fraction? 5 by 1. Now इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए. 3 4 जा 12 plus 1 13. इनको मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए. 3 1 जा 3 और 2 को ऐड करेंगे. ये आपने क्लास 4 में लर्न किया हुआ है. हाउ यू कन्वर्ट मिक्स फ्रैक्शन इनटू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. इनको मल्टीप्लाई करिए, इसको ऐड करिए. 3 1 जा 3 plus 2 5 by 3. Now you have question 13 by 3 minus 5 by 3 plus 5 by 1. Same way, take LCM of 3 3 and 1. LCM of 3 3 and 1 will be 3. So divide, multiply. यहाँ माइनस का साइन है तो यहाँ माइनस आएगा, यहाँ प्लस है तो प्लस आएगा. क्लियर. नाउ डिवाइड 3 by 3. 1 13 1 जा 13. डिवाइड 3 by 3 1. 5 1 जा 5. नॉट डिवाइड 3 by 1. बच्चे यहाँ मिस्टेक करते हैं, यहाँ पे ध्यान से करना. आप जो है यू आर डिवाइडिंग 3 by 1. 3 by 1. 1 3 जा 3. If you are dividing 3 by 1, quotient is 3. So now you have to multiply 5 3s are 15. Clear? 13 is a plus, 15 is a plus. First add these two numbers. 15 plus 13, 28. Then subtract 5. It's 23 by 3. 23 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. There is no common factor except 1. So this is the answer, or you can convert into mixed fraction. We divide 23 by 3. 7 is quotient, 2 is remainder. We'll write in form Q R by D. Q quotient, R remainder, D is divisor. Like question 10, we are doing question number 11. This question is also in mixed fraction. Convert into improper fraction. बेटा देखो 5 का 5 रहेगा, नीचे वाला डिनोमिनेटर कभी भी चेंज नहीं होता. I'm telling you again and again. अगर आप नीचे ऊपर ही चेंज होगा सिर्फ. मल्टीप्लाई करिए, ऐड किए. 12 5 जा 60 plus 1 61. 4 3 जा 12 plus 1 13. 22 जा 40 plus 1 41. Now take LCM of 5 4 and 20. LCM will be 20. अगर आप निकालेंगे ना इसका LCM तो 20 ही आएगा. क्लियर. Now divide, multiply. Divide 20 by 5. 4 जा 61 4 जा 244. Here minus sign, put sign here. Now divide 20 by 4. 4 5s are. Now multiply 13 by 5. 65 minus 65 plus divide 20 by 20. When you divide 20 by 21, 41 ones are 41. ये प्लस का है, ये प्लस का है, दोनों को प्लस कर लीजिए पहले. 244 प्लस 41, फिर इसमें से 65 माइनस कर लीजिए. नीचे 28. डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट डिनोमिनेटर. 285 minus 65 by 20. Answer is 220 by 20. इन दोनों में जो है ना, now you have 200 by 20. What is common factor? 220 by 20. इसमें आपको दिख रहा है 0 0 कॉमन है, तो डिवाइड बाय 10. 22 by 2. Again there is 2 common, so divide by 2. So answer is 11 by 1 means answer is 11. Clear? Now I am doing exercise 4.7. It's very easy exercise. There are only 3 sums. First is a store had 2 by 3 dozen eggs. 1 by 6 dozen eggs were used to bake a cake. What fraction of a dozen eggs was left? How many eggs in a store? 2 by 3 dozen. How many eggs? 2 by 3 dozen. तो how many eggs used? 1 by 6 dozen. कुछ eggs थे, उसमें से केक बना लिया, बाकी कितने रह गए? We will subtract 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. तो total eggs 2 by 3 dozen. Egg used 1 by 6 dozens. Date. Write date. Exercise. Homework. Write question with black pen. Solution. A store had eggs 2 by 3 dozen. Eggs used 1 by 6 dozens. Egg left. You will subtract 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. Take LCM. 6. 4 minus 1. 3 by 6. Convert into lower term. Divide by 3. Answer is 1 by 2 dozen. बेटा इसमें जो है ना, you don't have to convert dozen into eggs. इसको dozen as it is रहेगा. इसमें dozen, क्योंकि आंसर भी उन्होंने dozen में ही पूछा है. आंसर उन्होंने जो है ना dozen में पूछा है, इसलिए we will not convert dozen into eggs. वैसे otherwise 1 dozen eggs is equal to 12 eggs होते हैं. बट इसमें क्वेश्चन भी dozen में है, आंसर भी dozen में पूछा है, so don't convert dozens. Okay, ये dozen as it is ही आएगा. You will have to subtract only 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. Clear? Now question number 2. There was 40 liter of milk in a store. How much milk? 40 liter. 40 liter एक स्टोर में मिल्क था संडे मॉर्निंग. तो पूरा दिन हो गया, संडे पास हो गया, तो कितना मिल्क लेफ्ट हो गया? 1/4 मिल्क वॉज लेफ्ट. तो क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मच मिल्क वॉज सोल्ड ऑन संडे. कितना मिल्क सोल्ड हुआ संडे को? टोटल मिल्क 40 लीटर. तो इट इज अ नंबर. हाउ विल यू कन्वर्ट इनटू फ्रैक्शन? 40 by 1 liter. डोंट राइट 1 by 40. टोटल मिल्क 40 by 1 liter. मिल्क लेफ्ट 1/4 लीटर. तो मिल्क यूज्ड और मिल्क सोल्ड, सब्ट्रैक्ट 1/4 फ्रॉम 40. 1/4 is mixed fraction. Convert into improper fraction. 4 ones are 4 plus 1 5/4 liter. Total milk 40 liter. Milk left 5/4 liter. Milk sold 40 minus 5/4. First convert 40 into fraction. 40 by 1 minus 5/4. LCM of 1 and 4 will be 4. So divide, multiply. Divide 4 by 1, 4. 44s are 160 minus 5, 154 5/4 liter. So if we convert into mixed, it will become 38 3/4 liter. आपको सिंपल क्या करना है? टोटल मिल्क वॉज 40 लीटर, मिल्क लेफ्ट 5/4 लीटर. तो मिल्क सोल्ड, यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 5/4 फ्रॉम 40. ये आपको सब्ट्रैक्शन आपने किया 4.6 एक्सरसाइज में. यू नो हाउ टू सब्ट्रैक्ट. क्लियर? Question 3. A carton is a box, big box. A carton contains 21/2 kilogram of bread. A carton contains 21/2 kilogram of bread. If 1/4 kilogram of bread was left, how much bread was sold? Out of this kilogram of bread, 1/4 kilogram bread was left. So how much sold? You will subtract 21/2 minus 1/4. First convert into improper fraction. 22s are 40 plus 1, 41/2 it will become 17/4. A carton contains bread 21/2 kilogram is equal to 41/2 kilogram. Bread left 1/4 is equal to 17/4 kilogram. So bread sold, subtract 17/4 from 41/2. You know how to subtract? Yes, you know na? So take LCM of 2 and 4, that is 4. Now divide 4/2. 2, 41 2s are 82 minus 17. If we subtract, answer is 65/4. Convert into improper fraction, that will be 16 1/4 kilogram. Do practice of exercise 4.6 and 4.7. Fraction sums, subtraction of fractions is same like as addition of subtraction. But बिल्कुल same ही है. But you have to put sign of subtraction in subtraction sum. In addition, you have to put sign of plus. Okay. Now do practice exercise 4.6 and 4.7. Thank you. Have a nice day, beta.